I hate bringing this up, but I want to send all my love to the Bryant family. I come as humble as ever when I say that I feel so connected to Kobe's unfortunate demise. Now, when I was in prison, I was planning on coming home on a helicopter, but January 26th, when I found out, about what happened, I took it as a sign not to, due to the fact that we share the same initials, KB, Kobe Bryant, Kodak Black, and all of that, you know what I'm saying? I was blessed to come home, like, right before my 24th birthday. Also, Kobe's daughter, she born in June too, you know what I'm saying? And my last name, her first name, Kobe Bryant. And today I celebrate your life, your legacy, as well as my birthday. The other day, I was talking to this empath lady, and she just did a reading on me like out of nowhere, and she was talking to me about asking me about like genuine people like in my corner. So I named a few and stuff like that, and I like the number 11 like so much. Me and my brother, we got the same birthday, 6/11. So she did something. She was like, she put a number together like 611. She was like 8. 8. And it was like a new beginnings, infinity. I'm like, wow, that's crazy. You know what I'm saying? Our boy Lamar Jackson, he made it out of Pocono. He rocked the number 8. You know what I'm saying? Kobe, other number, he was number 8 and 24. And my love and baby and girl, my little friend and stuff, she in love with the number 18. Where your 8 at? You know what I'm saying? And stuff like that. So, I just feel connected to him, and I feel like, he working for me that way yet. I feel like, Kobe, my guardian angel. And I want everybody who working with, like, Vanessa Bryant and all that, dealing with, like, the shoes that they doing for their daughter, to treat them right, do right. You know what I'm saying? And everybody, like, let Kobe legacy live on, you know what I'm saying? And that's crazy, her name Kobe, you know what I'm saying? So, we live, you know what I'm saying? We live, heart is good. I'm gonna let y'all know what this Tesla be about and stuff, how it came about that. Yeah? That's lit. Yeah. Let me show it. You see that bit? You see that bit? Man, fly high. I hop on the head of the
show the RP on that seat.
Oh, yeah, most stuff. On the other side, ain't it? And my real side 24, the real side 24 too, RP Kobe right here. Man. Right. Free Julio, Polo Key. KTV cutting track and bill.
Like